So for those of you guys that don't know, I recently had the opportunity to buy myself a 1986 Toyota MR2. Now it's a really cool car. I'm going to give you guys a start up and tell you my discovery, because I bought the car, came with these really horrendous, ugly looking seat covers inside of it, and I just can't cut it. They aren't cool covers, you know. So right in here we show you the disgusting looking seat cover, like skull and crossbones or something like that. Should give you the start up. Yeah, right there. Not quite cold startup because it's been running for a minute. Then I took the cover off the driver's side and found that these are actually Recaro racing seats. So that's a nice thing. We don't have to take that modification